Hey guys, today on my bench I have my own Philips Sonicare electric toothbrush. This is a model HX9340. So let's take it apart and try and see if I can actually fix it and learn how it's built inside at the same time. Shall we? So first step is to wrap a piece of cardboard at the bottom so we don't scratch up the outside of the finish of the toothbrush. Then we take some tape. What I had lying around was electrical tape. So this is what I'm going with, but you go with whatever you do have lying around. It doesn't really matter what you take. It's just to hold the tape round in place. And then you take some locking pliers, vice grip, as is the brand name, well, trademarked name. Some stuff is flaking. Oh, there you go. So this gives me access to the side. Did I pry it on the right side or not? Yep. Let's try to turn it and pry it from another side. Maybe this will work better. Yep. That might help. Yeah. Okay, so you need to actually pry it from the longer side, not the smaller side. Then things will be much easier. Okay, so a bit at a time on each side seems to be the way to go. I'll try to go with something a bit stronger. There we go. Now that is going. Haha. Here we go. Now we do have it. A lot of junk inside there. So we're gonna need to get something inside there on both sides, I think. Yeah, cardboard did a pretty good job of protecting casing. Yeah, I can barely see some tabs. Okay, here we go. There seems to be some, I don't know if it was gunk or glue, but that wasn't easy. I took my tweezer, these ones, which have some, they're sort of flathead screwdriver-y form, so they're 2A SA types. And by pressing on the end here, I was able, one side at a time, I was able to get them out. But I know there's a tutorial online on the iFixit, a quick one, not, well, quickly written one. And they were saying to take flathead screwdrivers on each side here and pull the tabs in, and I tried that and wasn't working at all for me. So I had to pull them while pushing each side at a time, and it slowly came out. So you might want to try that. Might work for you. The screwdrivers might work for you. Might depend on how gunked up your toothbrush is, if there's glue or not. I have no idea. So here we are. This is the toothbrush. So charging coil here, if you can see. These are the two sonic coils I was referring to earlier. So I'm suspecting that one of these two is not doing its job at the moment. So far I can't see any broken parts, so I'm going to guess that one of the two coils not doing it. But first things first, let's clean. I'm gonna get a head, because I don't want to start it without a head. Might put too much strain on the mechanism, because it's all counting on the weight of that head. And we'll see how things go. There's no parts inside the toothbrush housing. There's a lot of gunk in here, so it might just require a cleanup. That would be cool. Yeah, I don't know how well you guys can see, but there's a lot of gunk right here and there, so it might just require a cleanup. Here there's calcium everywhere. So we do have really hard water here on my home. There's some, looks like worn metal here too. So okay, well, let's set up. I'll go get the head and let's try it out. Let's do that.